Hey everyone, welcome back to Anthonytutorials. In today's video, I'll talk about an important step in building a website, choosing the right domain name. Your domain is your online identity, so picking the right one is crucial. Let's dive in.
Anthonytutorials.
A domain name is your website's address on the internet, like example.com. It's what users type in to visit your site. A good domain name helps with branding, SEO, and credibility. So, how do you choose the best one? Tip number 1. Keep it short and simple. Shorter domain names are easier to remember and type. Try to keep it under 15 characters. Avoid long and complicated words. Tip number 2. Use keywords. Including relevant keywords can help with search rankings. For example, if you run a bakery, a domain like bestbakery.com is a great choice. Tip number 3. Choose the right extension. The most common extension is .com, but there are many options like .net, .org, and industry-specific ones like .tech or .store. Pick one that suits your website's purpose. Tip number 4. Make it easy to spell and pronounce. Avoid numbers, hyphens, or unusual spellings that might confuse visitors. Keep it simple and clear. Tip number 5. Check availability and trademarks. Before finalizing your domain, check if it's available and not trademarked. Websites like Namecheap, Hostinger, or GoDaddy can help you search. Once you've found the perfect domain, it's time to register it. You can use domain registrars like Namecheap, GoDaddy, Hostinger, or Google Domains. Simply search, add to cart, and complete the purchase. Some hosting providers also offer free domains with their plans. And that's it. Choosing the right domain name is a small but powerful step in building your online presence. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more web development tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Anthonytutorials.